Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by establishing a reliable baseline. Get a formal eye exam now, not later. You need objective measures, distance acuity, current RX values, and binocular alignment so you can compare progress. Once done, note symptoms like glare, halos, or intermittent blur and how they change through the day. Make sure to record any systemic meds or diabetes history because that affects the plan. This foundation lets you choose the correct corrective pathway and avoids chasing ineffective steps. Now decide the appropriate correction based on the exam and your lifestyle. If glasses or contacts give full distance clarity with correct RX, they are immediate solutions. If not, assess for refractive surgery candidacy, corneal thickness, topography, and tear quality matter. Once you pick a route, schedule definitive testing, trial frames, contact fitting, or surgical consults and imaging. Make sure to plan a realistic timeline, trial period first, then one definitive intervention, so you avoid repeated changes that hinder vision. Implement the selected correction and verify outcomes with follow-up testing. For glasses, verify lens power and fit. For contacts, confirm comfort, centration, and final acuity. For surgery, complete post-op visits at 1 week, 1 month, and 3 months. Once done, measure monocular and binocular distance acuity and functional tasks like driving. If clarity is suboptimal, recalibrate the RX or treat ocular surface issues. If persistent error remains after healing, return to your provider for enhancement options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.